The wait is almost over. Red Magic is back, and this time it's rewriting the rules of mobile gaming. Meet the Red Magic 11 Pro, a machine forged for speed, power, and performance. Launching in China on October 17th, the Red Magic 11 Pro promises to elevate your gameplay experience. Its bold, angular design returns, sharper, sleeker, and more refined than ever. Available in striking black and white finishes, this device doesn't just play games, it dominates them. At its heart lies the beast, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, a chipset built for next-generation gaming, pushing frame rates and responsiveness to new extremes. Paired with up to 24 gigabytes of RAM and a massive 1 terabyte of storage, the Red Magic 11 Pro is ready for any challenge you throw at it. But real power demands real cooling. Enter the Yufeng 4.0 active cooling system, a masterpiece perfected over 7 years of R&D. Featuring a waterfall-style air duct, advanced heat dissipation, and IPX-beat waterproof protection, this system keeps the Red Magic 11 Pro ice cool even during the most intense battles. Visuals matter, and Red Magic knows it. Expect a stunning 6.8-inch 1.5K 144Hz Bowie Q9 Plus AMOLED display, offering ultra-smooth motion and breathtaking clarity. Whether you're exploring an open world or in the middle of a competitive match, every frame feels alive. The camera setup doesn't fall behind either, featuring a 50-megapixel OmniVision main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. On the front, an under-display 16-megapixel selfie shooter keeps the design seamless without compromising your stream or video calls. Powering it all is a 6,500 milliamp-hour battery backed by 120-watt fast charging. In just minutes, you're recharged and ready to jump back into the action. No waiting, no limits. This is more than just a phone. It's a performance revolution. The Red Magic 11 Pro isn't built for everyone. It's built for gamers, creators, and champions. Are you ready to unleash the next level?